Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 3.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.1% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.1% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices climbed for a second consecutive session, hitting a one-week high as mounting Russia-Ukraine tensions sparked a rush for safe haven assets, while investors awaited key signals on the Federal Reserve's interest rate plans. Safe haven currencies saw increased demand, with the US dollar, the Swiss franc and the yen attracting buyers after Russia updated its nuclear doctrine in response to the escalating conflict with Ukraine. Gemini, the cryptocurrency exchange founded by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, launched its platform in France almost a year after securing a digital asset service provider registration. The launch allows local users to deposit, trade and store at least 70 digital assets on web or mobile devices, the company said.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Stay informed with the economic calendar for the next few days, which includes a blend of high, medium and low impact events. Each data release will contribute uniquely to the market outlook, helping shape investment strategies and market reactions. The impact of these releases could be far-reaching, affecting a wide range of financial instruments. Staying aware of the upcoming data can be key to timely and strategic decision-making.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.